Hey guys, so I have something exciting to share. I have finally moved into a place of my own. I just thought, why not show you guys how I go from a Pinterest board to fabric swatches and like physical samples to then decorating a space from scratch, because this place was completely empty. Okay, well technically that was a lie. It was fully furnished, but I asked them to take all the furniture out, which they kindly did. And yeah, now I'm gonna decorate it from scratch, and I have just a nice vision for each area, and I think it would be cool to show you how I bring it to life. Let's get started. So this is a 3-bed apartment, and the overall vibe is very open plan. I picked that for a few reasons, mainly because I'm living alone. This is my first place. I wanted somewhere that I could just feel like I could see everything in one, in one look almost, or one glance. So it really just feels like, I was talking to a couple of friends, it just feels like a nice open, almost hotel room, kind of suite vibes, which is cool. One of the main reasons I picked this apartment was because of the incredibly nice oak floors and the oak and slate kitchen as well, and it's also resonates the same theme throughout the bathrooms. And I just found with a lot of buildings, the bathroom and the kitchen was never that inspiring, but this one felt really great. And so I wanted to play to its calm tones and bring a warmth to it that wasn't too aggressive. So you'll see that with my Pinterest board, I went for really sort of Japanese and some Nordic inspirations, but also some English kind of countryside inspiration because of the linens and some textures I went for, because I wanted it to feel homey. I'm obviously known for some of the pieces that I've designed that can feel quite fun and structural, but I wanted the space to really be grounded in comfort and not too reliant on statement pieces. So you'll see as I walk around, I talk more about textures and colors and palettes rather than this is by this designer, because my studio is great for that, but for my home I wanted it to really just be somewhere I can switch off and relax. A lot of the decorative items will come later. I have a lot of pieces that I've been sourcing over the past year. Some that I source from my store, some that I keep for myself. And so it'll be nice to incorporate them and just different pieces that I found from artists over the past couple of months that I will integrate into the space. But nothing has a permanent space yet. Everything is very, very flexible, and I really want to be guided by intuition, see what works in certain spaces to make it right for me. But I know already that I'll put something somewhere, and then a month later I'll be like, you know what, actually that will work better somewhere else. That's one of the special things about having a space that's your own. I can be that flexible and open. And so I'm really excited for you guys to be on this journey with me, and I think it will be cool to see how things end up, and especially to see how different or accurate this is, because it will be fun to be like, as I said in that video, and that did not happen, or it did. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys what we do in this space.